I'm Khara Kelsch. I lead the coaching program at Steptoe Johnson, which is a law firm based in DC. I coach lawyers on a whole variety of subjects. One of the biggest ones recently happens to be wellness. I myself am a former practicing attorney, so I know all too well how important it is to have good resources and good techniques for taking care of our mental and physical health. The advice that I have for you today is to pay attention to your well-being and strive for wellness at all stages of your career, whether you're a law student now or a new practicing attorney at some point, or even a seasoned attorney. It's never too early to pay attention to your well-being. And too many of us push this off and make excuses. It could look something like, I'm so busy right now, I've got to get through this hurdle and grind, and I'll worry about my well-being later. And the truth of the matter is that there's always going to be the next hurdle in your career, whether it's landing your first job, or maybe you're up for partner at a law firm at some point, or maybe you're balancing family and work. There's always going to be something, and we can't make excuses forever. If you start taking care of your mental health and well-being now, you'll be in a much better position to weather any storms that might come your way and hopefully eventually avoid burnout if things do get tough at some point. Think of it like doing oil changes on your car. If you do that regular maintenance, then hopefully your car will stand the test of time and it'll be there for you when you need it. But if you don't do those oil changes and you neglect that maintenance for too long, chances are at some point your engine might bust. So what does it look like to tend to your mental health and well-being? One of the most basic techniques that I teach to my coaching clients, which I love because it's super easy and simple and straightforward to implement, is to find 2 or 3 5-minute breaks in your day to check in with yourself and check in with your body and see what it might need. Are you hungry because you haven't had a meal in a while? Maybe you skipped breakfast. Are you thirsty because you realize you haven't had a drink of water in a few hours? Is your back tight because you've been sitting for a while and you need to stretch? Taking these regular breaks to check in on your physical health is also going to reap huge rewards for your emotional health and your mental health as well. You can find additional resources at ambar.org/mental health. Remember, don't wait when it comes to your mental health. If you do the maintenance now and you take care of yourself, you'll be that much stronger throughout your career. Take care and good luck.